Hi everyone, this is Ibi Ramani from Nova. Today we are at TechCrunch Disrupt, and we have over here is Ben Paul from SingleStore. Hey Ben, how you doing? Lovely to see you too. So tell me a little bit about SingleStore.
Yeah, we're a general purpose database,
Yeah.
so with a bias for speed, so we can handle transactional workloads, analytical workloads, and then in this new world of Gen AI, storing those vectors and building out, or really being the backbone behind those Gen AI applications.
Okay, when you say you're the backbone of Gen AI applications, so I understand transactional workloads. I can understand real time also.
Yep.
So what do you mean by being the backbone of generational?
Yeah, a lot of these applications are RAG type architectures, so they'll have their documents
Yeah.
that they have to chunk up, vectorize,
Yeah.
and then store in a database,
Yeah.
which then gets queried to pass to an LLM. So we're that database layer storing those vectors. But again, as SingleStore can do the other workloads, we can store data alongside those vectors to contextualize the data and provide additional performance.
So you're talking about that you are the backbone of Gen AI. So how do you say that? What makes you the backbone of Gen AI?
Yeah, so behind a lot of these applications is a database, and the
Yeah.
database is just storing the vectors,
Yeah.
which get passed to the LLM. That's where the real magic happens.
Right.
But you need to be able to get the vectors into a database and
Right.
get them out fast.
So you're able to put the data, the vectors into the database and get them out fast. So what is the secret sauce?
Secret sauce is our universal storage.
Yes.
Where data lands in memory first, is committed, and then goes onto our on-disk columnist store.
Right.
And with our vector indexing, we do
Right.
it with it as soon as the vector hits the in-memory layer. It's queryable. We don't have to wait for the index to be built.
Oh, you don't wait for the index to be built at all?
No.
Because it's all in memory.
It's all in memory, immediately queryable. Now that vector will get updated, but it's not going to take 20 minutes for that vector that just got ingested to be readable.
Can you give me a case study, like a customer case study or something that they've used this technology?
Yeah, one of our customers called RightSense use us for vector use case.
Yeah.
They're serving up real-time analytics to gas stations and companies like that.
Yeah.
And basically they're doing text to SQL, where their end users will be like, hey, what's revenue look like the last 3 years? And then that'll query the database using vectors and populate dashboards and reports.
Okay, this is great. So, I mean, I hear a lot of solutions that are focused on structured data, maybe some focus on unstructured data. Seems like you can manage it all. How do you create differentiation in such a busy market?
Yeah, that's honestly the tough thing. So that is the differentiation, being able to handle those diverse use cases.
All at the same time.
So a lot of the times a prospect might come to us and they say, hey, their tech stack's getting complicated. They've got 3 specialized databases. They're having to move data between them or query multiple databases. And this is really a simplification play. So that's one of our use cases.
I like how you said it. So if you want to really simplify your environment, bring out all the data in one platform. You don't need to manage multiple databases, one for unstructured data, one for structured data, and one for real-time analytics. You bring it all together and manage it through the SingleStore. And in addition, if you think about Gen AI, like Ben said, it does provide the backbone for the Gen AI because it brings everything in real time and also helps you with query and providing speed because they do it all in memory. So thank you very much, Ben. That's great.
Thank you for having me.